Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 14th of December. Now, because we're heading into the end of the year, I was thinking maybe we should just look at the previous trades we did since we started trading the trend at the beginning of October. Since then, we've covered 5 different markets: the FTSE 100, the DAX 40, gold, also British Petroleum, BP, and last week, Bellway, the UK house builder. So out of those 5 markets we looked at, 3 of those were profitable. We made over 200 points on the FTSE 100, for example. One we lost money on, which I'll show you in a minute, which is BP from the week before, from the end of November. And the other one is an open position still on Bellway. So let's just have a look at British Petroleum, BP, and we can see that we went long at the end of November, thinking that this uptrend would continue. We had a rise of 40% in the BP share price year to date, and we did indeed make a new high at 503 pence or so. But then, unfortunately, the BP share price came all the way off again and literally just stopped us out at 456 pence before starting to rise again. This decline was on the back of the oil price falling very sharply over the last week or so, with Brent crude oil dropping nearly to $75 per barrel. Now, this is a reason we have a stop loss in place. So yes, we might be frustrated, we might get stopped out, and the trend may then continue, but we need to protect our capital. This is the way to do it, by having a stop loss in place, which will be triggered at times. But we still live to trade another day, which is far more important. Moving on to last week's trade of the week, we went short Bellway, the UK house builder, and basically we did so around current levels at 1,929 pence, and we had a downside target basically of 1,600 pence or £16. And a stop loss above this key resistance area above the mid-September and November highs between 2014 and 2023 pence. So today's trading the trend is to remain short on Bellway with a downside target of 1,600 pence and a stop loss of 2,025 pence.